Connecting PayPal to System.io enables you to accept payments for your products and services directly to your funnels and checkout pages. Here's how to set it up. Log into your System.io account. Go to System.io and log into your account. Navigate to Payment Settings. From the dashboard, click on Settings in the left sidebar. Under the Payment section, select Payment Gateways. Add PayPal as a payment gateway. In the Payment Gateways page, click Add Payment Gateway. Choose PayPal from the available payment options. Connect your PayPal account. You will be prompted to enter your PayPal email address. This is the PayPal account where you want to receive payments. After entering your email, click Save to link your PayPal account to System.io. Set PayPal for products or funnels. Once PayPal is connected, you can use it as a payment method for any product or service you're selling within your funnels. When setting up a product in System.io, select PayPal as the payment method. Test and launch. Test the payment process to ensure everything works smoothly. Once confirmed, you can start accepting payments via PayPal on your funnels.